Kids are having more fun playing with toys that are of different varieties of colors and shapes. Those are the kind of toys that become their favorite companion and property at such a young age. Shape sorting blocks is a good example of toys that certainly entertains your child and feeds their mind. Also, shape sorting blocks are recommendable educational toys for children. Shape sorting blocks are one of the most common child learning toys parents can buy. When there are toddlers in the house, expect that you will be seeing a shape sorting block at the infant's toy box. However, some just see shape sorting blocks as a toy that entertains a baby when they need something to play with. We all know that there's something more about shape sorting blocks than just being a toy, and we are here to know why. Shape sorting blocks benefits. Providing your child with shape sorting blocks can help your child in the following aspects. First, cognitive development skills. This toy will test your child's analyzing skills since they need to sort out the blocks on what their shape is. Shape sorting blocks can help your child analyze things faster, and thinking skills will be enhanced. Children will be more familiar with different shapes, not just the basic shapes, but also shapes from their surroundings, such as flowers, stars, moon, and trees. They will learn that items are made up of shapes, such as a bicycle having circles for wheels. The toddler's memorizing skills can be enhanced because of figuring out where the shape actually fits. They can now memorize whether it's a square, a triangle, a rectangle, or a circle. Shape sorting blocks are bursting with colors. That's why it doesn't just help in being familiar in shapes, but also with learning colors. Number 2, fine motor skills. Your child will be doing small movements while playing with the shape sorting blocks. This toy can further enhance their hand-eye coordination and strengthen the muscles in their hands and fingers. Kinds of shape sorting toys. Cube shape sorting toys have a variety of shape holes on each side of the cube. If you want your child to learn more shapes, then this is a good example of an educational toy for your child's development. Shape sorting toy board, such as this one. It's a sorting toy which usually has 4 or more pieces, and the child should fill up the spaces with the right shape. A shape sorting box. It's a toy box that the child can only fill up when they have inserted the right shape on the holes of the lid. Wooden geometric shape sorting toy. Rather than the basic shapes, the board consists of spaces formed into geometrical shapes. 6 to 9 months old. The recommendable shape sorting toy that you should give your child at this age range is the shape sorting board. This will be like an easy level of studying shapes for them. It is going to be easy for them since there are just minimal shapes to be familiar, and it won't be information overload. Also, basic shapes are what's recommended to be learned at this age range. 9 to 12 months old. Move on to the next level and give them more shapes to learn and memorize. The cube shape sorting toy can enable your child to learn shapes within a shape. This will give them an idea that a cube has 4 sides, and it would be the first shape they will be overly recognizable for them. 12 months to a year old. Let them learn the basic and geometrical shapes at the same time. Try to have this play-based learning activity with them until they get to know some of the shapes they have encountered. Consider this as their 3rd level of learning shapes. You may follow this ages and stages to learn shapes for your baby. However, let them continue playing with the previous shape sorting toy until they get more familiar with it. Also, do not pressure them to learn and stock the information immediately. Just let them have fun and amuse themselves, for all they are aware of is that they are playing. Infants are unconsciously learning whenever they play with child learning toys. According to Dr. Vicky Panassioni, Playing is a significant tool in the development of a child's social, physical, emotional, and cognitive skills. Include shape sorting toys in your play-based learning activity every day. Toys are not just made to be toys. Yes, it's all for entertainment, but as we look closely, toys are for developing a child's well-being. These child entertaining products are every parent's helpful hand in their daily parenting struggles. Think wisely in what toys you are going to give your child. Don't just buy toys for the sake of giving them a toy. Parents should consider if their toddler is going to learn something from it. Always prioritize your child's well-being and skill development. Stay tuned for more age-appropriate toys backed by science.